In this lecture, we'll talk about cron, which is one of the most useful utilities when it comes to Linux administration. It allows you to schedule commands or tasks, also known as cron jobs, at a specific time. Cron runs as a daemon and is used to automate repetitive tasks like backups, monitoring disk space usage, updating the system with the latest application versions, sending emails, rotating logs, and so on. I think there's no Linux server that does not run at least a few cron jobs. The word cron tab has three different meanings. The text file that contains the user's cron jobs is called the user's cron tab. There's such a file for each user, and on Ubuntu, the files are located in /var, spool, cron tabs. Of course, only root can access the directory. And there's the command called cron tab used to manage the cron tab files. This is the command. And there's also a configuration file for the system-wide cron jobs called cron tab located in /etc. This one. There are two types of cron jobs, system-wide and individual user cron jobs. Let's take them one by one and start with the individual cron jobs. Each user has a cron tab file, which is short for cron table, where all scheduled cron jobs of that user are specified. These files are located in a subdirectory of var spool cron. The exact location can depend on the Linux distribution. Being text files, you can edit the cron tab files by hand using a text editor, even though they are not intended to be edited directly. It's recommended to use the cron tab command instead. This will open the file using your preferred or default text editor and validate the file's structure on exit. Let's go ahead and dive into the cron tab command. To display the contents of the cron tab file of the current user, run cron tab -l. At the beginning, the users have no cron tabs. To edit the current user's cron tab file, run cron tab -e. E comes from edit. You will be prompted with some editors to choose from if there's no default editor set. I'm choosing Vim. Note that the lines that start with a hash sign are comments. Each task to run has to be defined through a single line that consists of 6 fields separated by a white space. The first 5 fields define when the task will be run, and the last field represents the command or the script to run. The cron jobs can be scheduled to run by minute, hour, day of the month, day of the week, or any combination of this. You don't have to memorize the time fields because they are described on the last line. Minute, hour, day of month, day of week, and the command. The first field indicates the minute, the second the hour, then comes the day of the month, the day of the week, and finally the command. If for a specific field you use an asterisk, a star, it means always or any value for that field. For example, an asterisk in the day or the week field means every day or every week. Note that the minimum time unit used by cron is the minute. If you want to schedule a task to run every 15 seconds, then you cannot use cron. Create a bash script with a white loop and run the script instead. Let's try some examples. Let's suppose you want to run a backup script every day at 6 AM. So the minute 0, the hour 6 AM, and 3 stars. And the command, for example, root backup.sh. This is the path to a bash script. I'd also have some remarks. The hour is given in 24-hour time format, so between 0 and 23. Do not use PM or AM. If you want to run the command at 4 PM, you write 16 in the hour field. This is the hour field. The day of the week, which is the last time field that specifies the time, can be between 0 and 7, where 0 equals 7 equals Sunday. So if I run the backup script to run only on Sundays at 6 AM, I'll write 0 or 7 in that field. Like this. The script will run on Sundays at 6 AM. Let's see another example. Suppose you want to run a script that monitors the free disk space every minute. So, every minute means star for the minute, star for the hour, 3 other stars, and the path to the script. For example, check space. .sh. It will run every minute. Another example. If you want to specify a list of discrete values for repetition, use the comma operator. For example, I want to run the task at 4, 6, and 10 AM. So, the minute will be 0, and in the hour field, I write 4, 6, 10. Another one. If you want to specify a range of values, use the hyphen operator. Let's say I want the task to run on weekdays between 9 and 5 PM once per hour, so during working days and hours. And that means the minute and now the time interval. 9-17. It means between 9 and 17 or 5 PM. Every day of month, every month, and in the last field, I write 1-5. It means from Monday till Friday. And the path to the command or to the script. For example, root, firewall.sh. And another one. You can also use the slash operator to specify values that will be repeated over a certain interval. For example, if you have */3 in the day field, it means the action will be performed every 3 days. Let's write such an example. 24,21 */3. I have 3 fields, so I need another 2. And the path to the script. In this example, the task will be run every 3 days at 4 and 21 at minute 10. There are also several cron macros used to specify the most commonly used intervals. Yearly or annually will run the specified command once a year on the 1st of January at midnight. Like this, at yearly and the path to the script. Happy New Year. Monthly runs the specified task once a month at midnight on the first day of the month. And weekly runs the specified task once a week at midnight on Sunday. And daily runs the specified task once a day at midnight. Daily. And hourly runs the specified task once an hour at the beginning of the hour. And finally, at reboot, runs the specified task at boot time. Let's see a practical example. I want to append the current date and time to a file every 2 minutes. First, I'll comment out all the lines I've written. They were just examples. And I'm writing */2, it means every 2 minutes, and then 4 stars. And now the command date, > sign, and the path to a file, date and time.txt. And I'm saving the file and exiting. so WQ. To see that it really works, I'll display the cron log file in real time using tail-f. So tail-f var log syslog. This is the cron log file on Ubuntu. On CentOS is var log cron. This is the name of the file on CentOS. And we'll see shortly how cron runs the command. I'm waiting for at most 2 minutes. And we see this line. The cron task was executed. I can also display the contents of the file that was created by cron. So cat tmp date and time.txt. And we see there the date. To remove your cron tab file, run cron tab -r. I'm not removing it. Note that root can edit, list, or remove other users' cron tab using the -u option and the username. For example, I'm becoming root and create a cron tab for the student user. So sudo su, I'm root, and cron tab -e -u student. And it opened the cron tab of the user student. And I'm adding something randomly. I'm saving the cron job and then removing it. So cron tab -r -u student. Now the user student doesn't have any cron tab. An important remark is that cron sets and uses its own environment variables. The path variable is of special importance because if the command you are executing is not present in the cron specified path, you'll get an error, and this is very common for beginners. Use an absolute path for the command or the script to execute. Keep this in mind. Root can also set some restrictions in regards to which users have access to their own cron tab files. Man cron tab. Take a look at this paragraph. There are two files of importance, cron.allow and cron.deny. These files will decide which users are allowed to use the cron tab command. As you can see, scheduling cron jobs is easy. However, there are a few web-based cron tab syntax generators available to make this even easier. Two such websites are crontab.guru and crontab-generator.org. You can play around to learn cron jobs examples. Just enter your desired dates and times and it will instantly generate the cron tab line for you. At the end, let me tell you a few words about system-wide cron jobs. Besides the user's cron jobs we've just seen, there are some system cron jobs that will be run as root. How does it work? You simply move your scripts inside some directories. These are the directories: /etc, cron.daily, hourly, monthly, and weekly. And the scripts will be executed every hour, day, week, or month. For example, if I move my script to cron.hourly, the script will be executed hourly. Then, etc cron tab specifies when exactly will these cron jobs be run. For example, all scripts inside the cron.weekly directory will be run on Sunday at 6:47 a.m. Cron jobs are intended for servers or machines that are running continuously. If the system is down when the cron job is scheduled to run, the task is lost. It will not be run when the machine starts. In the next lecture, we'll talk about anacron, which can be used to execute commands periodically without assuming that the machine is running continuously.